This pose is good for your core and your lower body. Stand with your feet hip width apart and shift your weight onto your left leg. Then bend and lift your right knee, and draw your right heel against your left inner thigh. Place your hands in front of your chest in a praying pose. Keep looking ahead, and extend your spine. Press your foot against your inner thigh, and don't press your foot on knee joint of standing leg. Engage your abs to maintain balance instead of ankle. Your neck and shoulders should not feel tense.